in the wrong way. I don't support this way because it's just a clothes. It's not important. So you find many actually in the so they just dress hair, maybe this way, other color, maybe with a veil. What's the challenge? We don't know, but again, we put it our identity. This is false identity actually. Even in America, in the same place where it is, that they have to make your hair the way she has done it. So the message was distorted. Now, what I liked about the logo of the Girl Geek dinner, that is saying it definitely does compute. So the challenge is clear. I will give some examples of how this is challenging us. And thanks for the internet, thanks for the open source movement over all the video lectures that published in Creative Commons that we could use, learn from, because that's what enables us. And this is many girls learning from the internet, from all the sources available there, and sharing this with the girls. It's not that easy because we have English or language barrier, but they work hard to learn and to get what is available in the internet. So, now come to the end, how we found our global identity. I'll give two examples of how we found it. This is a talk from one of the events where Susan Said, she is a young entrepreneur. She had a boutique for speech recognition solution, and she talked about the challenges of being entrepreneur. So she was inspired by, and she told us how valuable she found the talk of Sheryl Sandberg when she spoke about the advices of the challenges and the problem of, or not problem, but the specific things about women in the C-suite level, or C-suite jobs. Yeah. So she learned from her, and thanks for TED Women, because we have very valuable things we found it over the internet. Thanks for all the women who shares their experience there. And and also for women too. And of course there is also Girl Geek Coffee. I think this university has one, and many you can. I think you can find tea, and you can find many things that we can share and link with all the people who with similar interests of you. So it reflects your identity, your geekness, your love and passion for technology, for the things you like. It's not about what you wear. If they have discussion with me, I don't like it. It's not me what I'm wearing, but it's me what I like, and I can, with the internet. With this, I can link and get to know people who share the same passion. Again, another example, which is we make a project we call it Fabulosia. We call it Fabulosia because we wish to have Fab Lab in Damascus someday. But anyway, so we are preparing ourselves, saying, okay, we have open hardware project, and this girl, she learned from, actually she was inspired from another lady, which is Limor, right? She liked to be famous for Lady Yeda. Lady Yeda always posts many videos for hacking hardware and all the stuff, all the things. So of course the way she appeared, it's very weird, you know, kind of hair, things. But we felt that belonging with her to the same passion, yeah? And this is a geekness inside. Yeah. So that's what make us, you know, we like to attend. So that's it. Thank you for listening.
Are there any immediate questions of fact or clarification before we have more? If not, we'll move straight on and have proper discussion later. Sure. Okay. Okay, so our next speaker will be Jun Zubiyaga Pao, who is